Did you know that when Canva shows you a 503 error, it's basically the server's way of saying I'm overwhelmed and need a minute? It is one of the most frustrating things to see when you are right in the middle of a deadline. But the good news is that it is usually a temporary hiccup rather than a permanent disaster. A 503 service unavailable error means that Canva servers are currently unable to handle your request. This typically happens because of a massive surge in traffic, scheduled maintenance, or an unexpected server overload on their end. Think of it like a restaurant that is so full they've had to temporarily stop taking new orders. However, sometimes the issue isn't them, it's you. A shaky internet connection or a glitched out browser can also trigger this specific error code. Let's jump right in and get your designs back on track. The very first thing you need to do is check if the problem is universal. Swipe over to your browser and head to www.canvasstatus.com. This is Canva's official status page. If you see red bars or incident reports, there is nothing you can do but wait for their engineers to fix it. But if everything looks green and operational, the issue is likely on your side. Start with the simplest fix, the power of the refresh. Hit F5 on your keyboard or tap the reload button. Sometimes the connection just needs a second attempt to catch. If that doesn't work, step away for about 2 to 5 minutes. This gives the server time to clear the queue. If you're still seeing that 503 message, let's look at your connection. Test your internet speed to make sure it's stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to your mobile hotspot or a different network to see if that clears the block. Next, let's clean up your browser. Over time, cached data and old cookies can get corrupted and confuse Canvas servers. Head into your browser settings, clear your cache and cookies, and then restart the browser entirely. To rule out any interference from your browser extensions, like ad blockers that might be overzealous, try opening Canva in an incognito or private window. If it works there, one of your extensions is the issue. As a pro tip, if the web version is acting up, try switching to the Canva desktop or mobile app. Often the apps use different pathways to reach the servers and might bypass the error entirely. If you've tried all of this and you're still stuck for more than 30 minutes, it is time to call in the cavalry. Head over to the Canva Help Center and contact their support team so they can look into your specific account. I hope this helps you get back to creating. Subscribe for more quick Canva fixes. See you in the next one.